Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2134 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting into the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. It's 11:23 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:23 p.m. Central Time, and 8:23 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Jason with 13 spots, CR Mag 3, C Paul with 2 spots, TNT with 2 spots, Bag 3, Gold Dome 3, Mike Will 1, Laddie Cards 2, Robin with 1, and CBD Cards with 2 spots. And we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Jason on top, CBD Cards on the bottom. Good luck. Once, twice. 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Jason on top and bottom. All right, Jason, you have the Cardinals, Bag Falcons, Jason Ravens, Mike Bills, Jason Panthers, Laddie Cards, Bears, Bengals, Jason Browns, Cowboys, Cowboy with the Broncos, C. Paul with the Lions, CBD Cards, Packers, Jason Texans, Bag Colts, Jason Jaguars, Chiefs, Bag Chargers, Jason Rams, Robin Dolphins, Jason Vikings, Gold Dome with the Patriots, CR Mag Saints, Gold Dome Giants, CR Mag with the Jets, C Paul with the Raiders, Jason with the Eagles, Gold Dome Steelers, CR Mag 49ers, Cowboys Seahawks, CBD Cards Buccaneers, Jason Titans, and the Washington Redskins. Okay, we're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. All right, seal 1, seal 2. All right, MD. So empty, empty. Nothing, nothing. And we have a rookie authentic signature, authentic memorabilia Panini playbook of AJ Green. That is fantastic. And I would love to open that right now for the Cincinnati Bengals, but I would need to do some surgery, which I'm not going to do. So whoever has the Cincinnati Bengals, congrats on your playbook. So these, you can probably see it in there, maybe. Yeah, right there. These open up like a playbook. And we're going to have a rookie auto on one side, memorabilia on the other. But let's see who has the Cincinnati Bengals of AJ Green. Very, very nice. All right, Cincinnati Bengals is going to Laddie Cards 88. Congrats, Laddie Cards. When you get this, feel free to send us some pictures. Because again, all the good stuff's on the inside, but we're team bags, we're taped up. I don't want to do surgery and mess it up. So congrats, and thank you guys for getting into break 2134 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. It is the AJ Green Rookie Panini Playbook Auto Memorabilia. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the final spot in Bonus 63. And then we'll have Bonus 63 and more. Thanks.